Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Counter-Strike 2. Counter-Strike 2 is a tactical first-person shooter where two teams, terrorists and counter-terrorists, compete. Your primary goal is to eliminate the opposing team or complete specific objectives like planting or defusing a bomb. Mastering movement with WASD and precise aiming with your mouse are fundamental skills. Always strive for headshots, as they deliver significantly more damage, often resulting in one-shot eliminations against unarmored opponents. Understanding the economy is crucial for success in Counter-Strike 2. You earn money by winning rounds, securing kills, and completing objectives like planting the bomb. This money is then used to purchase weapons, armor, and utility items at the beginning of each round. Strategic spending is vital. Consider your team's needs. Rifles like the AK-47 and M4 are excellent all-around choices, while utility grenades can block vision or flush out enemies, giving your team a significant edge. Map awareness and teamwork are paramount in Counter-Strike 2. Familiarize yourself with each map's layout, including common choke points and bomb sites. Effective communication with your teammates, whether through voice chat or simple pings, is essential for coordinating pushes or defenses. Always work together to execute your team's strategy, covering angles and trading kills. Pay close attention to audio cues like footsteps and gunshots. They provide vital information about enemy positions and intentions, giving you a tactical advantage. To truly excel in Counter-Strike 2, consistent practice is key. Spend time in aim training maps to refine your crosshair placement and master weapon recoil patterns. Watching professional players can offer invaluable insights into advanced strategies, positioning, and utility usage. Critically review your own gameplay recordings to pinpoint errors and understand how you can improve. Regular practice builds crucial muscle memory and sharpens your reaction times, transforming you into a more formidable and consistent player over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.